So we have the main screen, we have the CBR test. We went here to check the configuration. Here, CBR test. In global parameters, I see the sensors, deformation, force. I am going to do auto zero in deformation. Timing, this is going to take 30 minutes and we are going to take readings every 10 seconds. And in events, we are going to take additional readings in deformation every 0.05 millimeters and additional reading in force in 5 newtons. And here we do not need to touch this. This is only because the CBR frame can be used like a triaxial frame. Now that everything is ready, I can close. I say OK. And go again to the CBR test. First, click with the right button. Play. I see the values of deformation and values of force. Just to sure to make contact, you press one velocity, for example 1 millimeter, and we have to check that the force is increasing. When the system make contact with the sample, the force is going to increase. So it is play. I stop it because I have seen it, and I have to go back. 0.1. And sensor deformation, we are going to move about 12 millimeters. We are in 32, so we are going to get 44, 45. This is okay. Maybe we can put it properly, but it's okay for this test. We can close. We have to input a sample ID. Okay, diameter, for example 150. In this case it's not a matter of diameter and height because we are going to measure the penetration of the of the CBR. Velocity it has to be 1.7 and distance, for example 12 millimeters. If we want to do according to standard, we have to put 1.2. And something to identify the test, CBR 1, because we have to do 3 samples. Everything is ready, so I can go to start the test. Continue.
How much time you take? 30 minutes? The time, 30 minutes?
Sorry, I have music inside.
The time for the test, 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
So now we have to wait here.
But now, okay, we have calculator. Velocity is going to be 1.2 and we want to penetrate 12 millimeters. That means that 12 by 1.2, the computer is going to take data for 30 minutes, but the test is going to be finished in about 40 minutes. So, because to calculate the CBR, we need to measure penetration when you have 2.5 millimeters and 5 millimeters. Maybe we're going to 10 millimeters, but we only need that. So we can stop the test. Yes. We can see also here the point that we are taking, and here now we have millimeters, so we can see when we have 2.5 the value of force. Here 2.5, because I know that I have a value about 800 newtons, or we can change the reading. You also can go here. Okay, you can deactivate auto scale for X, auto scale for E, select zoom, and for example, goes here to see the real 2.5, the reading that you take for force. One time you can see in later, but anytime you can be sure that you have taken a reading and now you can do again and again and keep it.
Can you?
Well, in this moment,
You have to.
as we have the penetration at 2.5 and 5 millimeters, if we want, we can stop the test because we have the data that we need.
Yeah.
Okay. To stop the test, we only have to press this,
Okay.
and he will ask if we want to go back to the original position of the machine. I can say yes. And always by default use the velocity that you have used during the test. If you want to do it faster, okay, you only have to press here, put for example 11 millimeters, and he's going back to the maximum velocity. No, this is because the new device. No, it's simple. This is a test.